like I never left. I am back with full force. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. This is Ndikos. I'm back. Ndikos Channel TV. I hope you have subscribed to this channel. As you're watching this channel, please kindly touch that red button that says subscribe. It's for free. You don't pay to subscribe. It's because with this channel, with this vlog, oh my God, you will be loaded with information, lifestyle, what is happening in people's life. I mean, lifestyle in general. So please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to Ndikos Channel TV. On the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you get a notification. Also like and share, and please leave a comment below. So my people, oh my God, where do I start from? Where will I start from? I don't even know where to start from. Who are the people around you? Who are the people you have in your life as your friends, as your colleagues, as your members? I mean, people that is around you. How well do you know them? How well do you know what they can do in your life? Are they impacting you positively or negatively? Are they bringing you up or bringing you down? How well do they talk about you outside? Friendship or relationship, whatever, it's not when you are interacting with the person is telling you stories, telling you everything you want to, or you want to hear. At that particular point, that the thing they sweet you, now they go. The friendship they sweet you, they go. You know? It is when there is a little bit of, you know, something, the thing is not smooth, or maybe how they talk about you, how the person that you call your friend, how does he or she defend you? Well, that apart, I want to tell you people what happened to me today. This is all about family vlog, what happens in your life. I mean, things that happen around you. That is what it's all about. How my life is going. I'll be telling you guys things about me, things about my life. Once in a while, my family will also be included. That is why I told you to subscribe. So, what happened today? My dear people, we went to the church today. After church, I greeted one of my lovely sister. You know, sometimes you see somebody that is so close to you, you guys roll, you rapport, you talk, you play, you call each other and all that. But all of a sudden, you notice that this person no longer play with you. You notice that the behavior is somehow. My people, if such a thing happened to somebody close to you, call that person and ask that person. I mean, confront that person, because you don't know what they have told that person about you. You don't know what the person must have heard. So like I was saying, after church today, I greeted one of my lovely sister. She said, hey, make I no greet her. Don't, oh no, she didn't say make I no greet her. She said, oh, so now you are greeting me. So now I've been able to see her. Oh, I say, my sister, what is it? Oh, come. What is it? No, I tried to talk to her. So what happened? I did my son's Thanksgiving, February. My last son had an operation and was discharged. We spent 2 months in the hospital because it was a very, very critical. We celebrated the Thanksgiving, February. So I sold some clothes to my friends, you know, people around me, like Asoebi clothes. So there are some people that were not able to buy the clothes. They said, they cannot buy the clothes because of one thing or the other, you know, maybe financial challenge or one thing or the other, but they did not meet up. They could not meet up to buy the clothes. So this particular sister of mine told me that she, oh, so sorry, she could not buy the clothes, that she cannot buy the clothes. No problem. No, the clothes was not even enough. Clothes was not enough. I sold clothes. I bought clothes of almost 1.5 million naira. And I sold it and it was not even enough. Even as I'm speaking today, some people are still angry with me that I did not even tell them about the clothes. So, my people, that's all. Today I greeted the woman. The woman said, is it now that I'm seeing her to greet her? I said, my sister, I did not know. She said she greeted me. I did not answer her. Oh no, that already she have heard that people that did not buy my clothes on my Thanksgiving, that I don't answer them and I don't greet them. I no longer talk to them. I say, me? People that did not buy clothes, I'm no longer talking to them. I said, my sister, please, I don't know. I'm not angry with anybody that did not buy clothes. Clothes was not even enough. There are so many people that wanted clothes and the clothes got finished. It was not even enough. She said, that person told her that even somebody close to me was coming on my behalf, begging everybody that did not buy clothes to forgive me. That is what I'm doing, that I'm not happy with people that did not buy clothes. And she has been telling me that it's not everybody that must buy clothes. So in order for her to confirm that, the church before the lockdown, the last church before the lockdown, she greeted me. I did not answer her. I said, whoa, you greeted me, I did not answer you. I'm so sorry. Maybe I did not see you. I did not see you, or maybe I was carried away. Or she said yes, that I was tying somebody her tie in the church that day. So she greeted me, I did not answer her. I said, me. Hey, you greeted me, I did not answer you. Maybe I was concentrating on the hair that I was tying. Or probably my mind was somewhere because it was rousy. It was she said it was in traditional marriage party. I said, maybe everywhere is rousy and I was concentrating on the hair that I was tying. I did not even look up to see who is greeting. I did not hear and I did not see you. So sorry. Sometimes you will see somebody, you think that person sees you. The person might not see you because maybe her mind or his mind is somewhere that the person is not even, he's here, but his mind and spirit is not there with her. She said, so it's a lie. I said, it's a lie. She said, so I'm not angry with people that did not buy clothes. She said, that they gathered, they were saying it. And the person that she heard it from is somebody that is very close to me. That is why she did not doubt it. Because she said, since this thing is coming from this person, it means it's true. I said, what? Me? Angry with people that did not buy clothes? When clothes was not even enough. It's not a must. I told her that most of the time people do things. I don't buy. I don't buy. It's not every cloth that I will buy. If I continue buying all the Asoebi, it means my house will be full of clothes. I did not buy most of the two Asoebi they did before lockdown. I did not buy clothes. So does it mean that those people are angry with me? She said, thank God that this thing happened like this. So thank Thank God that she even told me. And since then, she was so angry with me. Even her husband was angry with her. I say, me. Oh my God. I say, who told you? Oh my people. Be careful with people you call friends and people you in short, I don't have to be careful with anybody. Being careful, I mean, is that I am free with everybody. Because whatever you do in this life, people must talk. It's just like this one now. People must find a reason to cause confusion between you and people that you have good relationship with. People must find a reason to talk you down in front of people. Why? That is why I cannot be angry with somebody because of what somebody said. Because this person, until you prove me or you demonstrate it to me that you are actually like this, I will not confront you. And it depends on the answer that you give me or you gave me. Will depend on my reaction or the next step I will take. So my people, I don't know what people gain. I don't know what people gain in trying to bring people down. Somebody that has done nothing to you. You and this person did not have any direct confrontation. Just because of somebody said. And deep down in your mind, you know that this person is not like this. You pick offense. But I even thank this sister that she told me. Some people, they will not even say it. You will not even know. They will tie it. And I was saying, who are who? I don't even know people that did not wear the clothes. So that I'll be meeting them one after the other. At least to go and be begging them. My sister, I'm not angry with you because you did not buy clothes. Or my brother, I'm not angry with you because you did not buy clothes. Let me go and be meeting them one by one. I said, no. Who and who will you go and meet? I said, but this lady said that the person that told her that she's even going, meeting everybody that did not buy clothes to tell them that I'm not happy with them because they did not buy clothes. That they should not be, the person should not be angry with me, that they should not be angry with me, that is how I'm doing. That anybody that did not buy clothes with me, I get angry with the person. I said, how many clothes have I sold? How many occasions have I done that I carry clothes to sell? How can people put lie on somebody's head? Do you know that there are some people that will be around you? You will be having enemies that you don't know how come. You know, there are some friends that you have them, you think you have friends, let me be free, let me tell this person what I'm up to, or what I'm doing, or what happened between me and so person. You don't know that immediately you are telling that person, dropping phone or physically, the person will take it to go and tell that person, see what this person told me. Maybe the person will put it in a way that I just want to confront, I just want to ask you what really happened. You don't know that that person is digging to see what he will say or she will say about you. Or to instigate that person to be angry with you. Sometimes you will see people on the road. Somebody you know that you did not do anything. You with this person did not quarrel from Adam. You with this person did not have any argument. And the person will not greet you. And the person will be giving you attitude. You will be surprised. Why is this person giving me attitude? This thing I'm telling you that it can happen in your working place. It can happen in your church. It can happen in a meeting. It can happen with friends, people around you. In your community. Maybe your boss in your working place, or maybe your friend, your people around you. You will see someone like you with this person used to play, your personal person and all that. All of a sudden, the person will be pushing you aside. All of a sudden, the person will be giving you attitude, which you don't know where it is coming from. Sometimes you will say, Since she doesn't greet me again, or since she doesn't want to play with me again, let her go. I don't even want her either. You don't know what's happened. Sometimes confrontation is very necessary. Because if not that I asked, had it been that when this woman said, me too, I would say, what are you talking me with this one person? Because already her mind has been condemned against me. Her mind is no longer with me. So she's just looking for every opportunity. You needed to see how this woman attacked me when I greeted her. I said, that was when I said, even the person that was standing with me wanted to attack her back. I said, no, wait. I said, no. I said, no, things are not done like that. I called her, my sister, please. It was all, I almost knelt down. I said, please, what is it? You are not like this. What happened? I started petting her. Then she was able to open up. It was when I started explaining. I told her, my sister, I know I'm not her. I can't even remember people that wore clothes and people that did not wear clothes. I can't even remember. I'm not angry with anybody because me too. It's not every Asoebi that they sell clothes that I'm buying. Why should I be angry because somebody said that she cannot meet up? Is it by force? Asoebi is not by force. Doesn't mean that all these people that I did not wear clothes, they are not happy with me. I started explaining to her. That was when she now said, okay. She believed me. She said, And you know that kind of thing, because that mind is already dead. She was now looking for putting, try, because she said, she just wanted to confirm it, and then she came and greeted me, and I did not answer. That was when she said it is true. So this thing is true. I said, I did not hear. Coincidentally, I did not hear when she greeted me. Have you seen how people can be evil? Instigating people to be angry with you. Instigating people not to be in good terms with you. People to be picking offenses with you. Something you don't know from something you don't know. They will cook it up and make it look real. So, what is this my video talking about? What I'm trying to say is that sometimes you see people giving you attitude. Somebody you know that you have not offended. You have not done anything that will get this person angry. Try your effort to confront that person. Try your effort to ask. Unless you try, and if you see is that this person don't want, you will rest. You have tried. You make effort, and you see that this person just, maybe it is her personal decision that she no longer or he no longer wants. You let her or him be. But confrontation is necessary. It's important sometimes. Thank God I was able to clarify it with the woman, and she said that I should be careful. She told me, my sister, be careful, because the person that told me this thing is somebody that is very close to you. I said, what? She said, yes, be careful. The person that told me this thing is somebody that is very close to you, and that was why I believed her. The person was even begging on your behalf. I say, on my behalf? Please. When you see somebody giving you attitude, try and find out. Try and ask that person, at least, to know why. Unless, just like I said before, you try, and the person, you see that this person don't just want to answer you. You know that you kukuma go and rest. So, this is all I have for you today. Please, my people, hit the subscribe button as you are watching this video. I am back like I never left. I am back to, gidigbam. no-go area this time around. I have rested enough. Okay? Thank you for joining me on this topic. Okay? God bless you all. God bless you all. The love I have for you, hey, anytime I remember that I'm gonna post a video, if you see the way my body they sweet me when I said I'm gonna make a video today, you people will not believe it. But I thank God that I finally made this video today. Thank you all for joining me. God bless you all. Please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. You will get a lot of good things, a lot of advices, counseling, anything. We are going to be talking about so many things on this channel. So subscription is free. You don't pay to subscribe. Just that red button there. There's a red button. I mean, red something that says subscribe. Just hit it. Okay? On the notification bell so that anytime we upload, you get a notification. All right? Thank you all and God bless you. All right? Ciao.